teacher training, and we called it out break. This is the training for English teacher from different school. They come to the class to get more knowledge and practice so they can share it. They started the fun activities of training from Mr. Bob. Make the teacher always happy to enjoy the theory of the class. Every once in 2 weeks they do the training together.
Is your is traveling?
I guess.
Sometimes, okay. Is your job? Yes. Is your
Sorry? Your father is no, I think it's not yours.
is your movie traveling?
Yeah.
Training together.
What skill do you need to add? Well, I think I need skills on vocabulary, and then I need good understanding and pronunciation. What are your favorite ways to motivate? My favorite ways to motivate my students is modeling. So I think being a model is the basic things a teacher needs to do to motivate the students. So the students can like maybe in the beginning they need to mimic the teacher, and then it will help them to develop more motivations.
What are your favorite ways to motivate?
What new ideas of language did you try in class last month? How did you do?
Communicate, answer, interviewing students. Very well. I see that they try to speak.
How do you think it's happening? I think it's really to know about the frequency of the animal. They can know about the body of the animal.
Okay, last month I have taught them so I made I arranged the song to the and then I asked them to sing that song. After that, when they do an exercise, they can remember the song and then they can answer the question.
Based on the song. What kind of song? Maybe you can tell me.
I create
You play? Can you sing the song?
You know, the sound of the song is able but I create the sentences.
Oh, the
Yeah, and then some is I very much like lyrics is on simple present tense.
Can you sing just a little bit for me?
Oke, akan sing ya. Kelihatan di bawah sekarang.
Want to try?
Tentunya pola kalimat sebagai dari subject plus verb one plus subject plus object. Always subject usually often never ever seldom and every.
Oh yeah,
Present song. Easy.
Number one, what skills do you need to be good at speaking another language? Julio?
Well, to be good at speaking, I think we need a basic knowledge related to vocabulary and maybe grammar, the sentence structure, and also. Did I tell you that? Vocabulary, grammar, what else? I think there are three things, but I forgot. Well, the vocabulary and grammar.
Grammar.
Yeah, and also pronunciations, because in some languages the pronunciation is far different from what we do in Bahasa Indonesia.
Okay, so those are the skills that we need, yeah, to be good at speaking another language, Okay, Pak Joko, what are your
My favorite ways to motivate my students in my class by giving them such kind of game, like playing games if correlated with our material lesson. And then I also make create song. Yeah. No, my own song based on the topic of our material. Like last week we practiced about simple present tense, so I create
song
this. Yeah,
I think it's like assessing to be an affirmation for us, so we can know how far the students understanding about the topic that they learn at the time, and then what we need to be careful of. Is it our things that I give to them, is it relate to their level of English? So that's why about assessing is benefit for us.
Thank you.
The new ideas I did in my class actually to mix or blend the learning with offline and online learning, and it went very well, I think, because the students got more interested when they use online learning, and such as doing their assignment through Canva and something like that. And it's helped them to learn very well since they know what they got in their phone. I think it went very well, I think. Yeah.
Okay, so thank you, Bapak Ibu, for sharing your ideas.
Trading together. English teacher training, we call it LT3. This is the training for English teacher from different school. They come to the class to get more knowledge and practice, so they can share it. Feel this loud at the fun activities, training from Mr. Bob. Make the teacher always happy to enjoy the theory of the class. Every once in 2 weeks they do the training together.
Use when students work together. Students work with another students. When they are about to present their discussion result, they work with other students. They work together with other students. 2, 3, or 4 students. It's a group work.
The grammatical structure of word and sentence, and the way grammar and word are understood. Usually we use it when teaching tenses and filling the gap, something like that.
No. Content work? No. Grammatical? No.
Related with that. Related with that.
Child of language and in specific context. We usually use it when teaching child of words or phrases. Styles of language in specific context.
With clear set of criteria or standard.
Language style for specific context.
We use it for example that we use for something when we test them.
What we do is what we do here. Why we listen to students and then what we do now.
Training together. Training together.
Okay, so UP3 succeed to guess three Miss Ambar's terminologies, yeah? Okay, Miss Ambar succeed to guess 5 UP3's terminologies, important terminologies. Okay. Miss Nelson, about Pak Dwi's terminologies, it's important. Pak Dwi?
Guess four.
4, okay. Pak Dwi succeed to guess Miss 4, Miss Nelson's terminologies.
Because I give longer. She cannot. Longer definition.
Oh,
It's my fault.
Okay, you can guess 2 who has their terminologies, yeah? Who has their, you guess? 7. Okay, this is
She will explain it very well. Explain very well.
Yang terminologi yang penting bagi Mrs. itu terlalu mudah.
I explain it clearly.
Oh, you explain clearly. Okay. Joko, how about you?
I got 0. I can guess.
From Udio's important terminology.
Yeah.
That is on purpose, I think.
And me?
Bu,
I'm got 0. I'm got 0.
I got 3 from Mr. Jonathan.
okay, Bu Dio got straight from Mr. Joko's terminology. So congratulations, Mas Tiana.
Thank you for her.
Training together. Do the training together. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Do the training together. Ooh, ooh. Do the training together. English teacher training, or we call the LT3. This is the training for English teacher from different school. They come to the class to get more knowledge and practice. So do the training together. Oh, oh, do the training together so they can share it with the student. The fun activities of training from Mr. Bob make the teacher always happy through joining theory of the class every once in 2 weeks. They do the training together.
Production process.
Yes, beautiful. Good and nice and so happy.
Which activity?
Activity
Becomes
is
your
so
roses.
many challenges also. Something like that. Okay, Sina.
Process from today.
My rose today, I think the beautiful things are almost all activities. Especially when I guess what the terminology from Miss Ambar and only got 3. Why she got 5? She has better memory.
Okay, thank you.
I think that's it.
Student phones, Pak Joko.
I cannot guess what is
Part of us enjoyable when a role play about there are 4 questions and we can speak each other. We speak with my partner. Actually, it's not funny, but it's enjoy for me because I can speak with my partner and then I can approach my to speak. It's
Something enjoyable.
yeah, that is the enjoyable.
Surprising, not surprising.
For surprising, that is my making is yeah, with the limit time, it makes me a little bit surprised. But how can we like it? But yeah, it's finished.
Yeah, you have
Again and again, thanks to her.
you have great group, right?
Yeah, we can work together. So in one paper, they write and I only dictate.
Because yeah, your group's plans is
Very full.
English teacher training a week called it out bring. This is the training for English teacher from different school. They come to the class to get more knowledge and practice so they can